Okay guys, it's a good, humid morning this morning here. I'm here at Shine and Style Imports here in Raleigh. I'm getting ready to show you one of our newer cars that just came in, 2012 Toyota Camry SE. Sporty, one owner, no accidents, extremely clean, like new. We will put a warranty on this vehicle. Financing can be as low as $950 to $1,000 down. Again, I would encourage you to come check this car. It's going to be a very dependable, like new vehicle for anyone. Alright, so let's take a look at this 2012 Toyota Camry SE. Only has 129,000 miles. Alright, so you can see it's a nice, beautiful red. Got the fog lamps, alloy wheels. No major damage at all. Excellent condition. It's local to North Carolina, so you don't have to worry about any road salt from up north or so that's a quick exterior look. Let's take a look at the interior. See some of the features. We get all power windows, power locks, power side mirrors. Again, the interior is very like new on the interior. Power seats, traction control. It's all your telematics. You get your paddle shift. Cruise control, Bluetooth, auxiliary. Got the leather with the sort of like a mesh cloth seat on the interior. Again, she's like new, no stains, no smoke smell, no pet hair. Trunk. A nice cargo space on your trunk. Floor mats back here as well. They said it's in excellent condition. Excellent condition. The interior here. Roof is clean. And guys, this thing drives excellent. Drives really well. One owner, well taken care of. Inspection has been done. You get all your books. Even have the original price that this vehicle was paid for, which was like 20-some thousand. So we had this listed at 90, just under 10,000. So that's a steal. Everything works on there. We're gonna crank it up. Radio works. AC works. Again, we got your Bluetooth, phone connect. It's automatic, as you can see. That's it. We have 129,000 miles on the dash. Alright, so look, guys, if you want to come and get approved for this car, you can come in person, put on an application, or better yet, do it online. With everything's going on now on COVID-19, you can do this application online on our website, shineandstyleimports.com. Go to the financing tab, fill out an application, and once we get it, we will be in contact. As little as $950 down. If you want to put more, it's better down. It's better to put more down, because of course it increases your chance of approval, plus lower payments, that type of thing. But oh, I forgot to show you guys the engine, so let's take a look at this engine real quick. And again, this comes with a warranty as well. We will include a 90-day warranty. That's the engine bay. You can give us a call, 984-200-2061. We are 3125 Gresham Lake Road, Shine and Style Imports in Raleigh.